I just cleaned my whole entire room. And I kind of made it, well, I did my whole closet. I just like got rid of a ton of things that I don't wear, and this room was absolutely a disaster because I had so many clothes from just like spring, summer, I don't know. So I just kind of kept things that I wear every day, and then I just need to kind of put like more basics in right here, like things I wear every day. And then I just cleared my drawers, got rid of stuff that I don't wear. And I kind of revamped this room a little. Before, this desk was up against the window, which I loved. Like, I didn't really want to change it, but I really was thinking to myself, like, I need like a little studio, like a place to just record my podcasts, and I want to start taping my podcasts, like making a channel for my podcast so that you guys can see my face, because every time I record I just do it on an audio, but I wanted to kind of do it this way, so I need like a little space. So I don't know, I think it's cute. I feel like I'm gonna move the chair when I'm not recording, but I just wanted to see if it would even fit. So I think it'll be cute. It'll probably be like, okay. I just got home. I have a package. Let's see. I think this is my under eye stuff. Yay. I like to use this Tula eye balm. I put it underneath my eyes, and it's just like this rose gold brightening eye balm, and it kind of looks like that, and it just like brightens underneath your eye. And I ordered it the other day because I ran out. Okay.
Love me. She wants my wife to hate me, and she wants my in-laws to hate me. It looked like for a girl to be holy. He says in verse 4, but let your adorning be the hidden person of the heart, with the imperishable beauty of a gentle and quiet spirit. Ladies, let me just say, like, you want that.
You put top.
You don't want a man who will look at you. You want someone that in God's sight is focusing on her soul, not herself. She gets it. She gets that life is about me. And then
This is so nice. Do you just sit by here and like read? That's what I would do. Nani? Do you just sit by here and like read? Do you ever do that?
I'm not sitting in the food court. Oh yeah. So my fire is on every day.
So nice.
It's a peel. You can put it in the water. Yeah.
That's probably good. I mean, unless you want.
Yeah, go on and go. No, I don't think I want to go to that.
My armpits have been so itchy. I don't know.
This micro is not working good.
What?
But it's giving up.
How do you make it with the milk? Are you heated up?
I've had this.
Oh, and it
Shake
froths?
Make the thing, and then you put it right on top.
Oh.
Yeah, but I gotta wait for the coffee to.
What do you want me to do? Turn the light on?
Huh?
What do you want me to do?
Nothing.
Oh, I thought you were telling me. I know, now
One cup and I have the really big one.
Oh yeah, you need the bigger one. What do you know, I need for breakfast? What do you normally have in the morning for breakfast?
Different things. If I have Pique, I don't have all this with scrambled egg or one egg.
I miss Italy.
You need to you gotta call your cousin.
I know.
I feel things.
Tonino said he wanted to tutor me. Message him. Remember that?
Still doing. Go ahead.
It's okay. He'll get it whenever. What?
Oh, the one at the beach? I don't remember his name. I remember his mother was Marisa.
Yeah, she wrote a book.
And where our confidence and strength comes from.
Hi you guys, I am filming a TikTok right now, but I'm also filming on YouTube, but I wanted to show you guys how I make my lunch. Okay, I'm gonna film it on TikTok and then... Hi you guys, good morning. I wanted to make my lunch with you guys. I like to put celery in my salads because it gives it like a crunch. It's like I'm eating a chip, but chips are so bad for you.